So the other risk management tool is retention. So by definition, retention is to deal with the risk on your own without doing anything, accepting the risk, facing the risk. So why do we choose this technique? When the cost of the insurance is higher than the cost of the loss. So if the loss is $50, so we do not go to insurance that requires us to pay $100 in order to save $50. So this time we will not get to the insurance company and we will decide to retain the risk on your own by ourselves. So the second one is when the risk is uninsurable. Even if you want to go to insurance, if the risk is uninsurable, we will be obligated to retain all the risks. If the risk is non-transferable, by nature, if we cannot transfer the risk, we by default we will accept all of the risks and retain it or face it. So a risk with a lower probability of occurrence. When the risk with lower probability of occurrence, if the probability of the risk to occur is low, so we will not give too much attention for the risk, so we will accept to retain or face the risk at all rather than going to insurance companies. It's not possible to go to the insurance company for every risk. There might be too many risks with a lower probability. It's not possible to go to insurance or to try to avoid them at all. This time, when we get a lower probability risk, we'll go to retain it directly. The other one is self-insurance. So you will face it and fight it out on yourself. One way is self-insurance, saving your money to cover your loss by yourself, rather than going to insurance and making others to cover it for you. It's one way of retention.